side, commission. I have had my question as to what became this from the person whom the question connected, which is but tell me what the IEBC was supposed to, what they're being told by before you announce what is the IEBC do.
Thank you, colleagues, for those questions. I think they were quite comprehensive. The team led by Professor Geth Muigai, you can see what we want to understand is this disconnect arising from IEBC. Because when we look at Article 88, the role of IEBC is to supervise and conduct elections. I do not want to repeat this question. Why the chairman deemed it fit to allocate commissioners, I think what described as domestic chores, leaving the core business of IEBC to the CEO to supervise. We've been told that they did. Everything went on well, time and decision. Of the constitution, can go announce results because we understand nobody can tinker with the form or is B they have come. You have a hand IEBC second to the Supreme Court match to the chagrin of the judges here. Because the question which was being asked, I think, by Mr. Otieno is that if 7 people are sitting on a judgment or a decision and there is a dissenting voice, why didn't the chairman tell Kenyans exactly what happened? That we conducted this election, we came to the National Tallying Center, we have these results, but some of the colleagues have a dissenting voice. They will tell Kenyans why they are dissenting. Another thing that worries us, and I think your team should answer, is why the streaming, the live streaming of the results stopped. Because if Kenyans were able to follow the streaming from the beginning to the end, which was being done in the space of and transparency, then the rhyme which we were being told of the pige ponki would not arise, because how things are happening, and therefore maybe the candidate who is being called to go to the National Tallying Center can decide not to go, because they know already the results they are on the screen. So I would also like a clarification. The question has been asked, and it was demonstrated very ably by Mr. Mahat. I would really like to follow his presentation because he did it with passion. Mr. Kemani also did it, but I think I want you, Mr. Mahat, to, just demonstrate how the forms 34A that were attached to the affidavits of the respondents were photoshopped. I think I liked your language of photoshopping, and I could follow it, but I want to understand exactly how they were photoshopped. I think that is what I would like to ask. Thank you. Oh, one more.
Thank you, CJ. Sorry, I don't know whether it has been, but time without number, the issue of the 27 constituencies whose results, it is said, had not been included in the final tally before the announcement was made, keeps coming up. Tallied. But because of the commotion, somehow they would not be part of the announcement. But why did the chair, before, when calm was restored, why would he not have included them? Because they had already been verified and tallied. Or did not include in the final so that they shouldn't be here bothering us? Why was it the hurry this time? And already the results had been tallied and verified. Thank you, CJ.
I just forgot regarding questions on Article 8. What is the implication of what you are suggesting on the chairpersons of other commissions? And I say chairperson, I noticed everyone's talking about chairman, chairman, chairman. The correct term is chair.
I think myself that, and if I'm wrong, please correct me, that the most important day for a commissioner of the IEBC has got to be that time that they are doing the presidential election, and I think there is a reason why their term is 6 years, because our elections are every 5 years. So that, I think it's likely that in the 6 years, or whatever time one gets in, a commissioner would have to conduct an election, a general election. Let's not just say presidential, but a general election. Therefore, what is the role of the commissioner? 7 commissioners. Back to my question number 1, and strictly under Article 1.